Hello viewers, in today's video we are going to solve a simple case study using the STOAT software, which is used for the design and modeling of the sewage treatment plant. So here in front of you we have the simple drawing where we have the influent in green and the grid trap and a primary tank. So this is my process flow diagram of the waste treatment plant, or you can say the sewage treatment plant. So already I have drawn the sewage treatment plant, so I will just open the drawing. So here is my drawing. And in my previous videos you have seen how we draw these objects on my drawing map or on my working map. So simply you have to go and click here and add the objects, and then after adding the objects, we will add the streams and make sure all the streams are added. So here all these streams are added, so I will just do a check. So these are added. If they are not added, if in one of them, the option will be grayed out, meaning there will be no options. And similarly here, and after this we have to add the, so suppose here is the name, and then we have to add the properties. So here in my bar screen, as per the case study, the property of the bar screen is, if you go down and see in the table, so here are 3 scenarios. I'm just right now working on the first scenario. So here the bar spacing is 0.3 and grid trap volume, so I have already added all the properties. So and also clicking on the grid trap, so here this has already been set, and here it is model I have chosen is BOD, and number of stages 1, volume and surface area. Now the next option is we will follow the manual. So as per the manual, the first step is adding the object, adding the streams, making the changes to the objects on the drawing map, and you save the work. So already the work has been saved, and assign. The next step is assign a run name. So now I would assign a new run to this. Sorry, already done one is the run has been completed. And now as per the case study, also we have to do these changes, the initial conditions of the primary tank. So here is my primary tank, and so the initial conditions already has been set as per the case study. Because we have run, so we cannot change right now. We can change, so you can change. So I would say okay, and then everything has been set. The temperature, the soluble inert, COD, ammonia, nitrate, soluble, everything has been set. Now to change the hourly influent profile, so we have to go and click here and select the profile, or you can generate or import even. So it allows you to import from InfoWorks, HydroWorks and Mosquito. So now we will generate, and we'll go to the industrial, and if suppose I'm choosing, so we have to create. So I've chosen 48 hours, and then I would say simple. We would view, and then we have to also make changes here. So for now I'm keeping it to the default. So you can change these, the elapsed time, the flow, the temperature, the soluble BOD, the particulate BOD, the volatile solids, or the non-volatile ammonia, everything can change. Then we would save, then we would close, and then there is like these things already we have done. Now to select the 2.4, select reporting options. So here we have to go here, click on the output, and then for seeing the reporting options, we have to again click on the new run. So here you can change certain properties, and then before running we can see the reporting options. So click on the reporting options, and then we can choose, and then here it allows you to do the simple, advanced, ADMI, for example ADMI. So the report view, So you can do here and press OK. And suppose you want to view the determinants. So these are the determinants. Okay, but this settings, these alterations you can do before choosing the, so before running. Okay, and also here you can do these or these, and then close. Then scrolling down, now if we want to see the effluent profile for the 48-hour, okay, so we can close. Now we will again open the software. We need to run because this was the error. Now we will again open the simple design. And this is 48 hours. Then you will try to run. This has been run. Then we will click on the results and then try to see the results. Okay, so this is my result. Okay, and if suppose and we can go back, for example, go to more, so we can choose the soluble BOD in these parameters, and let's choose all. And we can also vary the flows, the scale factor. So this is my graph which shows everything. Okay, here we were trying to see the results. Okay, so we choose more, and then we can choose these options to see. Suppose if we choose everything, leave a few of them, then if we choose the graph only, so here is my results. Okay, now why our results are not matching? Because we have not changed this conditions. Okay, so if we change these conditions, which is here, then only we will be getting the exact results. Okay, so this was all about how to run the STOAT and how to design a simple system using the STOAT, okay, software. And there are also many more things like doing the sensitivity analysis, doing the calibration, doing the optimization. Okay, so we can do a lot of things using the, for example, if you want to do the sensitivity analysis, so you can add variables. Suppose you want to do these, and suppose you want to add more variables, so you can add more. Then you can choose process. Okay, so it does not allow you to do the sensitivity analysis because of some settings that we have not done. Okay, so this is a simple diagram that we did. We can even do the simulation of the complex network, okay, like this. For example, these complex networks can also be handled.